Hi guys, hope you're doing fine and welcome back. Today we're going to take this image and I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, we need a glass of wine or a wine glass with something in it. We're going to use water. We also need something to light the scene with, and we're going to use a single setup. So it's a Nanlite PowerTube 26C, and also we're going to use something that is actually a cutting board. It's a cutting board from Ikea. I just bought this, it's really cheap, and we're going to use it behind the glass and the light to give the light some proper spread. So let's do it, and I'll show you how to set this up. So what I've done here is that I set the glass of water in front of the cutting board from Ikea, and I have the Nanlite PowerTube directly behind the cutting board, like a decimeter behind, and it's shining through the cutting board, and the cutting board is actually diffusing the light. It becomes more of a halo-like effect behind the glass. So that is how I set this up. It's really easy, and obviously I'm going to shut this light off before taking an image. I'm shooting this on a Sony a7 IV with a 90mm macro. I'm having the aperture to f16 and the shutter is approximately 1/8 of a second on ISO 100, and this is what it looks like.